Hi, everyone. I want to show you a really cool feature in Nat Geo Science that allows you to customize the material that the students are going to see, as well as the material that you are going to see, meaning that you can remove pages from the student books and your books, and you can add other materials into the student books. So in Clever, I'm going to go to NGL Sync. I'm going to go to the English text because that's the one that I am using. I'm going to launch the course. And then what you will see come up is the home screen. And I've already changed some of this when I was doing my work figuring this out last night. So you'll see what I did is I renamed I'm fifth grade, by the way. I renamed the units to match the names of the units that I teach. So, for example, it originally just said Physical Science Unit 1, but I use that, I know that as Matter and Properties of Materials. It originally said Life Science Unit 2. I added the word ecosystems. It originally said Earth Science Unit 3. I added water and human impact and so on. And where you do all this customization is up here in the waffle. It looks just like the waffle that you see in Google. So when you click here, you can go to course customization. And you have the option to customize what the students view and what you view. You can add a new folder or topic, which I'll show you in a minute. You can add a link to an external document, a YouTube video, something else that you want the kids to use. So, for example, if I go into Earth Science, which is the first unit that I am teaching, you'll see a bunch of things that are grayed out. These are things I actually already removed. So I click on these and see how it says hide in student course. The students will not see that. Then I can rename things. So this wasn't originally called Human Impact on Earth. I can retype it, I can hide it or unhide it. So I went through my first unit, and that's how I'd advise doing this as you're preparing the materials. Go through unit by unit. You can drag the order of the subjects around, the topics around. And so again, anything that I grayed out, the students will not see. And then I rearranged other things as well. Let me go, and then so here's my course view, so I can do the same thing here if I wanted to. I can go to, I renamed it Earth, Sun, Moon because that's the name of the fifth grade unit. Let's say I wanted to hide this, investigate apparent brightness. I can go to hide in my course. And then once I'm done doing all of this, hiding, renaming, shuffling around, you want to click publish. And it goes and publishes it. And then you'll see that here it is grayed out, meaning that it's not being shown. So when I go to my teacher's manual, it is not being shown. So if I go back to home, and then, so let me go back to course customization. I'll show you something else, how you can add links. So in fifth grade, one of the things that we teach that was not in Nat Geo was composting. So if I go to Life Science Ecosystems, I added this folder by clicking Add Folder. And then within that, I added a link to a video, and it allows you to add the link. So when I go to Student View, Launch Student Edition, this is what they see. Here are the assignments I've assigned to them. When they go to Life Science, it goes through the regular book, but then when it gets to the folder on composting, I can assign it to them as well. So I just wanted you to be aware that you can customize this a lot. And once you get the hang of it, it winds up working pretty easily. Just make sure you click publish. And I would recommend that if you can find the time as you're learning to use the material, that you remove from the student book anything that you don't want them to see. So I thought I'd share that with you. Please let me know if you have any questions. Jeff Weinstein, Elementary Science Coordinator.